This compact URUQ 12-pod hydroponics system uses a full-spectrum 24-watt light that reliably pushes herbs and greens to mature far faster than in traditional potting soil. The integrated lighting schedule mimics natural daylight cycles, so seedlings and mature plants get consistent illumination without you having to remember timers or switches. Its recirculating pump runs at a very low noise level while keeping water oxygenated, and the clear window with an indicator makes it simple to check levels and root health at a glance. The tall, adjustable light column and tilting lamp board give you enough vertical space and coverage to raise everything from low basil starts to taller flowering plants in the same unit. Dedicated modes for leafy vegetables, aromatic herbs, and blooming or fruiting plants fine-tune the light spectrum, which helps you coax better flavor, fragrance, and yields from each crop. Because setup is as straightforward as adding water, nutrients, and seeds, this indoor garden works well as an approachable year-round way for beginners and families to grow fresh produce together.